Hey everyone, welcome to this week's Just the Tip. My name is Corey with Meat and Potatoes Organizing here in the Twin Cities of Minnesota. Today we are going to talk about the 12-month and out rule. So this applies to clothing, and specifically we're going to talk about kind of those fast fashion items. Maybe it was a quick impulse buy, something that wasn't as expensive, and a lot of times we can get in the habit of purchasing these fast fashion items and they quickly fill up our closets, quickly fill up our bedrooms, dressers, create piles, things of that nature. And really, it can create a lot of like mental clutter and make it harder to get ready in the morning. So here is your tip of the week. I want you to go through your wardrobe, go through your closet. If there are fast fashion pieces that you have not worn in the last 12 months, you're going to donate them. Let's get them back out. Let's get them back out into the world and not taking up space in your closet. And the good news with fast fashion items is that they're relatively inexpensive to replace in case you did need something. But in my opinion, it's not worth taking up the mental and physical space and clutter for an item that you may not have worn in the last, year and doesn't have super high value. So that is your tip of the week. Get in that closet. Think about the last 12 months. Have I worn this item? Is it quick, fast fashion? Is it low, kind of on the totem pole? Let's get that into donations. All right. Let me know how it goes in the comments. I will see you next week for another Just the Tip.